Listen, if you got a 4xe Wrangler like I do, you know, there hasn't been a good mounting solution for it until now. Bulletpoint mounting solution just released recently, RubiGrid Dash Mount System, and I'm telling you, it's the bomb. It just beats everything out there. It all fits perfectly right around the charging indicators. For a long time, I've used this crappy suction cup phone mount. Mount my phone to the dash so it doesn't, you know, so I don't have to hold on to it for a GPS or maybe for filming off-roads or whatever, but I am just freaking done with this thing. No more do I have to deal with this thing falling off in the heat, you know, maybe falling off in the cold. No more do I have to, you know, reach down while I'm driving and try to pick up my cell phone off the ground because it didn't hold, or maybe the whole phone mount fell on the floor. I'm done with it. We are freaking done with this thing. Instead, I'm using the Bulletpoint mounting solution, RubiGrid, for my 4xe. Listen, if you got a 4xe, all of the RubiGrid system works fantastic with the 4xe. Never again are you ever going to have to worry about your cell phone falling, maybe not having something to mount your GoPro or other cameras on, you know, or even your CB radio, ham radio that you're for off-roading, your tablet, heck, for even a guest mount for somebody in your passenger seat. Look, it all fits perfectly right around the charging indicators. It is the best. I'm telling you, I connect my phone up to this thing right here, and it does not come off. So if you're looking for a dash mount system for your cell phone, for your GoPro, for your CB, for your tablet, whatever it is you need, and you've got a 4xe, this is the one that you want to get. I've attached everything to it over the last couple of weeks. Nothing has fell, not even one. I literally put my phone on the mag mount, and I can use one hand to plug in my cell phone. It doesn't move. What kind of system holds so well that you can plug in and unplug your cell phone and it not fall off? So once again, Bulletpoint mounting solution, RubiGrid for the 4xe, just recently released, works fantastic, easy to put in, where I literally put the dash mount system in my 4xe the night before a trail ride in a hotel out of town in a matter of 5 minutes or so. And it held up fantastically for the trail ride the next day. Bulletpoint mounting solutions, RubiGrid Dash Mount System for the 4xe Wrangler. It's the bomb. Get it for Christmas for a loved one. You won't go wrong.